Ready to permanently say goodbye to your Google Tag Manager account? Let's walk through how to do it. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account at tagmanagergoogle.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, click on your account name at the top right to open the account settings. They are located next to where you see your Google account icon. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This will take you to a new screen. Within the account settings, look for a section titled More Actions and click on it. This will reveal additional options. Inside the More Actions drop-down, you'll find the Delete this account option. Click on it to begin the deletion process. A warning message will pop up. Google will ask you to confirm that you understand that your account and all its associated data will be erased. Read this carefully. You'll need to acknowledge this before continuing. If you want to proceed, you will select the checkbox. Finally, confirm deletion by click on the Delete button. That's it. Your Google Tag Manager account is now scheduled for deletion. Remember that this process can take a few days to completely remove all data. Thanks for watching and happy tagging or not.